So look at this huge, lovely. Hey guys, if you are looking for a great buyers, big buyers and supplier you want to connect, and if you are belong to military and defense industry, hunting and shooting, you must visit the short show in Las Vegas. This is the biggest show I have ever visited in my life. So guys, this is every year held in January. It is 4 day show, and I am continue visiting this show from 2024. So this is my third time in a row, and this is the biggest show. You know, I have never visited show like this. So this is amazing. You can see lot of big buyers from United States and Europe and other countries, and the big suppliers from everywhere. So guys, stay connected with me and I'm going to show you.
I'm shouting for more. Beach chair chilling, toes dug in the sand. With that bass line grooving, life feels so grand. Ayo, West.
So guys, today is the day 2 at short show in Las Vegas, and I'm gonna show you some amazing product here. You can see rifle, shotgun, everything. So yeah, yes. So guys, you can see lot of good product are here displaying here. This is amazing. This is morning, day first. So you can say this is Alps Outdoor from USA, and they have lot of hunting blinds, hunting vest and everything. These are the biggest show for the hunting and shooting. You can come here and you can explore. Yeah, this is really nice opportunity if you are from anywhere from the world and you are connected to the defense military equipment like gun, bullets, or accessories part, or outdoor bags, gun bags, you know, rifle case, gun case, or you are doing archery like bow and lot of stuff like for the hunting and for the shooting, hunting boot, hunting jackets, hunting apparels, hunting vest, anything. If you are manufacturing, you can come here and explore. This is the biggest show, and this is huge. Million of people from the world, they attend the show. So this is the biggest show I have ever visited in United States, and this is my third time in a row, and it's amazing. Lot of people, lot of things. So now this is morning 8 a.m. That's why not many people, but yeah, later you will see a lot of people. So you can see these are the gun case, rifle case. So if you are doing this kind of stuffs, you can come and visit the manufacturer as well as the suppliers. So yeah, you have the good opportunity here. You can see this kind of pistol holder, pistol case, the bags, anything you are making, you are welcome to visit the show. Guys, they are showcasing you can see, drone. This is drone, automatic drone with the gun. So this is automatic drone, and this brand. So if you will visit, you will see lot of things. Amazing, lot of guns, lot of things. And here you can see military apparels, the bags, everything. So no matter where are you from, if you are manufacturer or if you are buyer, you can visit here. You can explore many new products, new technology, everything related from the defense, military, hunting, shooting. If you are from India, Pakistan, Indonesia, Vietnam, USA, Europe, North America, South America, anywhere you can visit. So look at this. This huge, lovely Yeah, look at these rifles. Yeah, lovely buddy. Look at this monster. Wow.
And get that excited.
Right.
And I don't, to your point, I think maybe some of my problem is I do need to forget Joe and say, no, I'm going to go spend some time
Joe,
with my
well, you got to realize Joe ain't worried about you either. And that's when we all realize that. Nobody gives a shit. Everybody thinks everybody cares. Nobody cares. Ain't nobody care. At the end of the day, you got to be true to yourself. And to your point, I think I did hunt a lot.
Corner store
Look at
stops,
that.
grab a drink, it's all good. Cruising through the
Look
streets
at
of my
this.
neighborhood.
Oh,
Hey,
good.
yo,